Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. This is our Zettelkasten week. So this is our chance to get out those note cards and add to our Zettelkasten with some wonderful material that we can pull out later to use in our stories. Victoria, what will you tease us with on this Monday Compass?
For this week, we're going to take a look because it's still 100 degrees outside. Pools, again, we're talking about pools. Now, I'm not going to tell you what's going in the pool, but we're going to build one and see what we can put into it. So come back because we're building pools again.
Okay, certainly sounds like the perfect thing to do when the temperature is that high. Well, we are, of course, working with a surprise balance trait of equanimity. And so, of course, we're going to be making some experience cards to go with equanimity. But there's something fun about balance traits if you don't remember, because it's been almost a year since we've had our last balance trait. We've been working all empathy traits this whole past 12 months. So come on back tomorrow and we'll talk about what kind of cards are we going to make for the balance trait of equanimity. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.